Hey, Lane Sebring here. I'm so excited to be launching my most comprehensive online business program ever. For the past 4 years, I've coached hundreds of people through the process of starting and growing their online businesses. I've personally coached about 400 people just on Kajabi itself. Kajabi is a software that you can run your business on, and I've helped 400 people get their start on Kajabi in just about every possible niche you can think of. I've also led group cohorts and went in depth with small groups of committed entrepreneurs who were changing their entire lives by starting businesses around their experience and knowledge. And I've personally worked with individuals in one-on-one coaching relationships, guiding them directly through the process of starting their online businesses. Through all those experiences of helping so many entrepreneurs and my own journey of building my multiple six-figure online business, I've developed my most comprehensive guide yet. In fact, I've developed a simple, repeatable 4-step system to build a profitable online business around your experience and knowledge. And I've made this system work in 2 completely different niches with 2 completely different audiences. I've helped pastors preach with confidence and clarity over at my first online business, Preaching Donkey, and I help people escape their 9-to-5 jobs by starting thriving online businesses here at my personal brand, Lane Sebring. All that to say, between coaching hundreds of people and doing it myself, I have discovered exactly what works and what doesn't. And the best part is I'm holding nothing back. Anyone can do this, and I can show you exactly how. Let me be your guide, and I can show you how I've created a multiple six-figure online business and how you can do the same. I want to introduce you to six-figure Fastlane. This is the complete step-by-step system to replace your 9-to-5 income with a thriving online business without hustle, grind, or having to build a large social media following. You can discover in this program how to go from total beginner to making money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in the background of your life. All the material that's in Six-Figure Fastlane, I've done in small group settings. Russell was one of those people. He said, I was reluctant to make any moves because I didn't really know all the parts I needed, what order to arrange them in, and most importantly, how they all work together in a system. I didn't want to waste any time or money heading in the wrong direction. In Six-Figure Fastlane, I got the clarity I was looking for. What was once an amorphous goal is now a user-friendly framework that is clearly defined, repeatable, and most importantly, easily tailored to my niche. Six-Figure Fastlane is the catalyst for starting your online business. Before taking the course, starting an online business felt like a big, scary blob of question marks. Afterwards, it feels like a well-defined roadmap. I know where everything is, what it does, how it works, why it works, who my audience is, and how I can help them, and do it all for a profit. I love that because for so long, I struggled with the exact same stuff. I was like, how do I put all these pieces together? How does it all work? Will someone just show me a clear path instead of a bunch of disparate pieces of information? Is there a path? And I love that you find it in this program. There are 3 primary benefits when you join Six-Figure Fastlane. The first one is blow the limits off your income. You can say goodbye to 2% cost of living raises because those are a thing of the past. When you have an online business, the limit on your income is gone. It is only limited by your imagination, your creativity, and your determination to see it through. Number 2, you can create more time freedom in your life. You only work when you want, when you're at your best, and no more having to ask another person for permission to take time off. This is what I hated so much about having a job. It was just not for me. I did not like it. And being able to just not work when I don't feel like working and work when I want to and do the kind of work that I like to do, that kind of time freedom in life is awesome. And then third and finally, impact people and do the work that you love. Six-Figure Fastlane gives you the opportunity to spend the limited amount of time and energy that you have contributing to your highest and best vision for your life, impacting the people that you love, and doing work that makes an impact. I love what Brent Gwine said. He said, if you're on the fence about jumping into Six-Figure Fastlane, I wholeheartedly recommend it. The course demystifies the complexities of monetization strategies and provides a clear roadmap that alleviated my initial lack of direction. Lane's well-prepared and thoughtful approach makes it a rare gem. If you're looking for a genuine, inspiring, and effective guide to kickstart or elevate your online business, Six Figure Fastlane is the bridge between hesitation and success that you've been searching for. I love that. It's the bridge between hesitation and success. If you're hesitant about jumping into your online business, it will bridge you over to success. So let's talk about what is inside Six Figure Fastlane. The course is packed with practical, actionable online business training. Six Figure Fastlane has 6 modules and 16 in-depth action-packed lessons. Through this experience, you'll gain the tools you need to accomplish the following. First, you're going to be able to determine the best niche or topic for your online business. That is crucial. Second, you're going to be able to build out the necessary components to make your business run, like your website, your email list, etc., with no wasted tasks. Third, you're going to discover a proven process to build and launch your first online course. 4, you're going to set into motion a powerful system that will continually reach your target audience and sell your digital products in a way that's passive and automatic. Finally, you're going to gain confidence and focus in your online business while making a massive impact and a great income. I have been wanting to put something like this out into the world for years. I often have people ask me, where do I get started? What is the whole system? How do I do this? And to this point, I haven't had a good answer other than join one of my cohorts or buy one of my coaching packages or just watch all my YouTube videos. But now I finally have it, and I have put everything in this to make it as clear and as simple, but also incredibly thorough and comprehensive as possible. You can check it out all at lanesebring.com/fastlane. It is currently open for enrollment. If you're watching this while this video is coming out, it will not be open forever. So if this is something that you feel like would be a good fit, jump in now. lanesebring.com/fastlane. I will see you on the inside real soon.